Being financially strong and having a wallet full of bills as a teenager can be a real challenge, since most teenagers are living with their parents and are independent on them. Even though they work to get extra money, it's pretty hard for a teenager to actually save. Keep watching to find out how to save money as a teenager. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Number 9. Don't party unnecessarily. As a teenager, it's easy to waste thousands every year partying and having fun with friends. But if you're actually looking to save, then just don't do it. To be able to attend a lot of parties, you shop a lot and spend money on clothes. Then you end up treating people because that's how it works around friends. Then you end up spending money on fancy dinners. It is only natural that you run out of your hard-earned money and your pocket money as well. Sure, go out once in a while to clear your head from all the study and workload, but that should be the only goal. If you spend everything on a night out, you'll soon have to ask your parents for more money again, and no one likes to go through that entire account of explaining how and where you'll spend your money. So be wise while having fun. Number 8. Make good use of your student ID. Students get a lot of perks of having a student ID. There are discounts at theatres, online subscriptions, on public transport, and even with food shops and many more things. So if you have a student ID, just get all those discounts so you'll end up saving quite a good amount, because you won't have to pay the regular or standard amount like everybody else. Number 7. Have a savings account. If all your money is in one place or in one account, it is very likely that you'll end up spending all of it, and you won't have anything left at the end of each month. A savings account will only have the money that you're wishing to save, and with a savings account you won't have a credit or debit card that you can use to spend it. You just need to make sure that you don't take any of the money out, unless the situation is pretty dire or desperate. This is a great way of saving all the money you intend to save, and you don't have to worry about messing up all the numbers in just one account. Number 6. If you don't work, consider getting a summer job. Not every teenager works, but every teenager needs money to spend. If you have a lot of free time during the summer break, then you should consider working. You can work online as a freelancer, or you can invest and start a small business online to earn some extra income. You can also simply go with the traditional jobs, like working in a bar, restaurant, or in a supermarket. The advantage of working in a bar during the weekends is that all of your friends will be there spending all of their money while you are earning it and still having a good time. It's a win-win situation. You still get to go out and have a few drinks after work, but instead of spending a fortune, you will go home with money in your pocket. If you already have a college degree, you can even apply for jobs with a better salary. Number 5. Don't get excited and shop impulsively. Some teenagers end up impulse buying a lot of stuff that they would never need. There are always new trends that everybody is trying to follow. And maybe you get influenced by what you see on social media, but do you really need it? If you are buying clothes or items just to get attention, don't do it. Be smart when shopping and know what you need as a teenager. Do you really always need that newest iPhone or newest Nikes? Once you fall for this trap, it will be never ending, because the next new thing is always just around the corner. Number 4. Know what your goal is. The reason why you're unable to save is because you're not sure what you want to do with that money. Most teenagers save for their college, some save for a trip with their friends, some have other motives. What you need to do before planning on a strategy for saving is to look for a reason. If you want to save for a college, then you need to plan that you will actually save a good amount, because college expenses can be quite a handful. If you're saving for a short-term plan, then you can take out a little amount or save up for your entire earnings and execute your plan when the time comes. So before actually planning out how you're going to save, having a goal will motivate you to save more, and you'll try harder not to spend any money on unnecessary things. Number 3. Get some help from a good app. Technology these days has made life much easier. You can simply install a free savings app and stick to a routine that's set for you. You can enter the exact amount of money you have in your accounts and wallets, and you can set your savings goal. The app will lead you to a plan that will efficiently help you save the amount you planned on saving. This is a great way to stay motivated on your savings plan. Number 2. Know what you're spending. You can't know what you can save if you don't know exactly what is coming in and what is going out. Now this is a tip that will be helpful throughout your entire life, and there are only very few people that actually do it. It's pretty simple. Open a simple spreadsheet on your computer, and for each month you will exactly keep track of your income and outgoings. Just fill in the spreadsheet every morning when you wake up. If you don't, it's very easy to underestimate how much you've actually spent on certain things during this month. Even though you might feel like you haven't been going out much, maybe you've actually spent several hundreds of dollars in the bar without even being aware of it. Remember, little things add up quickly, and if you don't know your numbers, you don't know what you can save on. Number 1. Get clever with earning. Teenagers these days are making a huge living out of TikTok and other platforms. You can easily earn money by blogging or becoming an Instagram influencer. You can also take up easy gigs like social media managing and stuff that gives you instant money for your services. So, if you already have an Instagram account, just make good use of it and start earning extra money. You can also try teaching younger children in your area, either by helping out with schoolwork or teaching them a skill that you possess. You can build an online course on Udemy for free and earn some extra money from there every time someone buys your course. There are so many ways you can earn extra money and keep all of that money in your savings account. All you need is some brains and a little investment. And always remember, the sky's the limit. Let us know in the comments below how you earn some extra money each month, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.